Understanding the phrase, night owl, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into an interesting and commonly used phrase in English, to be a night owl. This expression is both picturesque and practical in understanding everyday English. So, let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your conversations. To be a night owl is a phrase used to describe a person who stays awake and is active during the night. Night owls tend to be more energetic and productive in the evening and late hours, as opposed to the early morning. This term is metaphorically derived from the nocturnal habits of owls, which are birds known for being active at night. The term, night owl, has a rich history in the English language. Its use dates back several centuries and is rooted in the natural behavior of owls, which are often seen and heard during nighttime. This connection between the nocturnal nature of owls and late-night human activity has made the phrase both vivid and relatable. Now, let's look at how to incorporate to be a night owl into your daily conversations. This phrase is often used to describe oneself or others in a casual and informal context. For example, I'm such a night owl. I do my best work after midnight. My roommate is a night owl. She stays up late watching movies. To fully understand night owl, it's helpful to contrast it with its counterpart, early bird. An early bird is someone who wakes up early and is active in the morning. It's based on the saying, "The early bird catches the worm," emphasizing the benefits of starting the day early. Understanding both phrases enriches your English vocabulary and comprehension of cultural idioms. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, to be a night owl, confidently in your English conversations. Remember, language is not just about words, but also about the culture and lifestyle it reflects. Stay tuned for more insightful English language content, and happy learning!